Hello and welcome, 490 Bennington Street here. Arthur with DNA Realty Group. Check out this stunning unit. 9 feet ceilings and recessed lighting throughout. Brand new stainless steel appliances and quartz countertops. Oversized windows and an open living room. I absolutely love this place because in the morning you could come out here on this private deck, have your coffee, and check out these gorgeous views of the city as you get your morning started. Now these private blinds, they're custom, they're gonna be here to stay. They go up and down automatically, which is absolutely unbelievable. Come on in and I'll show you the rest of the property. We have a coat closet to my left, and to my right you have a stackable laundry that's here to stay, and that's gonna be all yours. Check out this main bathroom. Super deep tub. Again, I love the 9 feet ceilings, they're gorgeous, and everything is brand new. This place was built in 2023. Good sized bedroom over here. This could be your guest bedroom or an office, whatever you want it to be. And now I'm going to show you the main bedroom. It's absolutely stunning. So big you could fit a couch and a bed. And you got this walk-in closet. Ta-da! And now for the grand finale, we're gonna check out the main bathroom. Double sinks. Rainforest shower head. Again, gorgeous. You have everything that East Boston has to offer. You're a half mile to the T, shops, restaurant, convenient locations, views of the city, and so much more. Check us out at dna-realty.com or send me a DM if you want to see this property. And make sure you follow us on social media for more beautiful listings. This one in East Boston, and it's not gonna last.